Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to give access to your Google Forms quickly and easily. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues, collecting survey responses, or sharing a form with friends, I'll guide you through the steps to ensure the right people can access your form. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to google.forms.com. If you're not already signed in, make sure to log in into your Google account. Next, you can either create a new form by clicking on the blank form button or open an existing form from your list. Once your form is open, click on the send button. These buttons may look like a plain icon as well. A new window will pop up with different sharing options. You can send your form via email, share the link, or embed it into a web piece. If you want to share the form via email, simply enter the email address of the people you want to share the form with. You can also include a personalized message. To share the form via link, you can copy this link and share it with anyone you want. If you want the embed form on a website, click on the embed one and you'll see the HTML code. Now, if you want to others to help you edit the form, click on the three vertical dots and click on Add Collaborators. A new window will appear where you can add email addresses of people you want to give editing access to. You can set their permissions to view only, comment, or edit. Once you've set the permissions, click on Save. Your form is now ready to be shared with the appropriate access settings. And that's it. You've successfully given access to your Google form. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.